E. Archana from 9th English Medium. Happy English Language Day to all of you. Now Rachana and team is going to perform a language activity.
Good afternoon to one and all. We are class 9th students. Today we are presenting how a sentence take its form in 12 sentences. 12 sentence. Simple present. I spoke English.
I speak it.
Simple past.
I spoke English yesterday.
Simple future. I shall speak English tomorrow. Present continuous. I am speaking English. Past continuous.
I was speaking English yesterday at 10 a.m.
Future continuous.
I shall be speaking English by this time tomorrow.
Present perfect continuous. I have spoken English. Past perfect. I had spoken English yesterday by 10 a.m. Future perfect. I shall have spoken English by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been speaking English since 10 a.m. Past perfect continuous tense. I have been speaking English for last 2 days. Future perfect continuous tense. I shall have been speaking English by this time tomorrow. Observe friends, verb is in V3 form. Verb is in V3 form in perfect tense only. Verb is in V2 form, simple past tense only. Verb is in V1 form in all remaining tenses. Once again you observe friends, verb is in V3 form in perfect tenses only. Verb is in V2 form in simple past tense only. Verb is in V1 form in all remaining tenses.